I am Lily Farlands, a spirited and adventurous woman in my 30s who thrives on exploring the wonders of the world and sharing my exhilarating journeys with fellow adventurers. Traveling is not just a hobby for me. It's a way of life that fuels my soul and fills me with boundless joy. From the captivating shores of Roatan to the enchanting streets of Huatulco, I have been fortunate to visit some of the most magical places on Earth. These destinations have left an indelible mark on my heart, inspiring me to seek out new adventures and immerse myself in diverse cultures wherever I go. When I'm not traversing the globe, you can find me indulging in my guilty pleasure of reality TV, getting lost in the pages of a captivating novel, or spending quality time playing with my friends' adorable dogs. My love for animals knows no bounds, and their joyful presence always brings a smile to my face. Through my YouTube channel, I invite you to join me on a virtual journey to far-off lands and exotic locales. With each video, I aim to capture the essence of my experiences, sharing the beauty and wonder of travel in a way that ignites your own sense of wanderlust. Let's embark on this adventure together. Follow me as I uncover hidden treasures, forge connections with diverse cultures, and embrace the transformative power of travel. Join me on this extraordinary voyage, and let's explore the world one breathtaking destination at a time. If you care to join me on my adventures, please like and subscribe.